Easy DIY Murphy Bed is proud to introduce the new Murphy bed locking mechanism. The Easy DIY locking mechanism allows anyone with a compatible Murphy bed to secure the bed frame when it is closed to make sure that the bed does not open unintentionally, and to stop children from trying to open your Murphy bed when you are not present. It is a great preventive add-on for your Murphy bed because this safety lock prevents a wall bed from suddenly opening. The lock mechanism was primarily designed to be used with the Easy DIY Murphy bed brand of DIY Murphy beds. However, it can be used with other Murphy beds in the market that have a similar cabinet design. You can contact our support team by email to make sure that our locking mechanism works with your brand of Murphy bed. The lock is easy and quick to install in less than an hour. This attractive lock mechanism installs on the side of the Murphy bed, either on the left or right side of the Murphy bed cabinet, and it is superior to many latch systems in the market. The lock system is suitable for all wall bed sizes but may not be necessary for a twin horizontal due to the short cabinet height. Only basic tools are required for installation. You will need a drill, a 1/8 inch diameter pilot drill bit, a 1/2 and 3/4 diameter Forstner drill bits, a Robertson driver bit or screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a pencil. The lock mechanism comes with a full lifetime warranty and is proudly made in the USA. Visit EasyDIYMurphyBed.com for more details and to purchase yours today.